Right, so this is pretty much a review of the Auto Glim vinyl and rubber care, and also the instant tire dressing. So I'm going to be using the vinyl, underneath the car bonnet of the hood, and I'm also going to be using the instant tire dressing to dress the tire. So I spray several bits on components, plastic or rubber components underneath the hood of the engine bonnet, and buff it and rub it off with a microfiber cloth. So I'm spraying the other bit there, and subsequently allow it to dry. So when you spray it on, it's got this milky kind of look. Then as soon as it starts drying off, it's got this soft sheen look to it. You can buff it off later with a cloth. So pretty much once you buff it off and it's dried, you can see other bits there that haven't got like the soft sheen look. You can make more applications to certain parts that haven't got the soft sheen look, and buff it off with a microfiber cloth. So I'll proceed to the tires and use the instant tire dressing. So while spraying with the instant tire dressing, ideally you should be using like a microfiber cloth, which serves as an impediment, a barrier or blockade, with respect to preventing the instant tire dressing from spilling onto the rims like you've got here. It's just like an extra level of protection. I'll be showing you, subsequently when I use the vinyl spray on the tires. I'll be showing you here, just like here. So I've got the vinyl spray, and while spraying, on the tires, I just sort of like use a microfiber cloth, as a barrier to prevent the spills from, just the overspray from getting on the wheel. So they're pretty much fine, but what I found out, after they've dried, was that they're basically the same. They've got the same type of finish. So both are perfectly fine. If you've got the vinyl, you can use it. If you've got the instant tire dressing, you can use it. And when you look here, you can see, the vinyl, how it looks. It looks, it's already looking pristine. Where you've got the air filter hose is already, almost 100% done. So I just get some more sprays, on the components underneath the hood, and yeah. The result is brilliant. I can't fault it. It looks pristine. It looks factory cleaned. Yeah. Just make sure that when you're doing the tires, they're not overly wet, that they're dry before you apply the dressing. So you can pretty much also use the vinyl and rubber care to restore, the original surface color, to provide a clear protective coating finish to the dashboards and other interior plastic and rubber components. Whilst the instant tire dressing, can be applied to a wet or dry tire wall to give it a light sheen or matte finish, which you can see here underneath the hood of the engine or the bonnet, and you'd see the way the tire looks, at the end of the video. If you found the information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye. Bye now. Bye.